Okay, well, right now I am really ticked off. I'm stranded on a highway. Never got to my destination tonight. That is very unfortunate because it was very important for me. As you can see, I am super tired. I really look super tired. But yeah, waiting right now for CAA, and hopefully they can change the tire and I can be on my way. Yeah, nobody's coming around right now. Yeah. No, that's not it. That's a truck. Okay, so I have cleaned up my trunk that needed cleaning since before winter, because I started putting stuff in it just like for travel in case of emergency. So I had a whole bunch of bags packed with clothing and food and like some of the camping stuff, and if we were stranded somewhere. But yeah, I had to put everything inside my car, which is full. I didn't know I could fit that much stuff in the trunk. Okay, so that trunk is actually big. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, that's it's actually a huge trunk, and it's an Audi. So guys, if you get an Audi, there's a lot of trunk space. All right, I love my car. It has given me trouble a couple of times already because it's really old. But I am hoping that I can get a newer Audi soon. The sooner the better. Only a little bit short on cash right now, so let's hope that's gonna change soon and I'll be able to get what I want. So I wanted to show this jack is really old, but there's no way I can get in there because there's only like not even 2 inches. I thought it was 2 inches. There's like 1 inch left. So this guy's gotta lift the car from the front, probably, so he can squeeze the jack in there. You can use my jack, I don't care. As long as I get the tire put on. Man, that looks really bad. That tire is like freaky inside. And there was something making like weird noise. And I thought it was like my muffler or something. Okay, to see you guys here. Lots of love to all of you. See you next time.